Hi, I'm Gary Martin Hayes. Today I want to share with you some of the most common injuries that I see happen due to rear-end collisions. In my experience, many victims of rear-end collisions underestimate just how injured they are and how much their medical care and repairs are going to cost. One of the most common injuries after a rear-end accident is a cervical strain or sprain. The head and the neck rapidly snapping forward and then back due to the force of the crash, this can cause significant injuries, even at low speeds. Now, back and spinal injuries are also common in rear-end accidents. The force of the impact from being rear-ended can compress the spine. It can put pressure on the vertebrae and bruise lower back muscles and ligaments. Last but not least are concussions. Now, a concussion is a nice way of saying the person sustained a traumatic brain injury. Any rear-end collision can lead to brain or head injuries given the right circumstances. Listen, if you are not the person who caused the wreck, then you have a right to recover for the injuries and the damages that you sustained in this rear-end collision.